Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 56 points, that is 0.07%, and settled at 79,648 points. Nifty 50 is down by 20 points, that is 0.08%, and settled at 24,347 points. Bank Nifty is up by 93 points, that is 0.19%, and settled at 50,577 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 156 points, that is 0.27%, and settled at 57,330 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 34 points, that is 0.19%, and settled at 18,444 points. Shares of Aavas Financiers Limited surged up to 7% in trade Monday after CVC Capital Partners has announced to acquire a majority stake in the housing finance company. The private equity firm will acquire 26.47% from existing promoters at 1,635 rupee per share. Existing promoters including Kedara Capital and Partners Group are looking to exit their 8-year-old joint investment. Both held 26.47% stake at end of the June quarter. Shares of ONGC Limited rose to the highest point of the day, rising as much as 3.2% after the government notified that the pricing of gas from new wells will be at a premium compared to the old ones. As per the notification, the allocation of gas from new wells will be at a 20% premium over the Administered Pricing Mechanism (APM) price. Currently, the APM gas prices are capped at $6.50 per million metric British thermal unit, MMBTU. The current ceiling will be maintained for financial year 2025 and then will see an increment of 25 cents per MMBTU per year thereafter. Hindustan Zinc Limited, HZL, released a statement on Monday addressing recent media reports suggesting that the company is expected to declare a special dividend amounting to 6,000 crore rupees this month. HZL clarified that it is unable to comment on this speculation and that no such proposal has been submitted to the board of directors for consideration. In an exchange filing on Monday, the company said, "It may be noted that any such kind of decision is under the power of the board of directors, board of the company, and the company has not yet submitted any such proposal to the board." This is to inform that NBCC, India, Limited has recently been awarded the following works. 1. Construction of a new building by demolishing the existing building of Hyderabad chapter of ICSI at Anand Nagar Colony, Khairatabad, Hyderabad. Order is from Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Order value 9.97 crores. 2. A development of 2 land parcel in Jhansi on self-sustainable mode. Order is from Jhansi Development Authority. Order worth 710 crore rupees. Total 719.97 crore rupees. Bajaj Finance has received a 341 crore rupees show-cause notice from the Directorate General of Goods and Services Tax Intelligence, DGGI, alleging tax evasion by wrongfully categorizing a service charge as an interest charge in an 3rd August notice, as per an Economic Times report. Intelligence collected reveals that Bajaj Finance Ltd is evading GST by wrongly treating services processing charges as interest to avail the benefit of exemption provided under central tax rules, the report cited the 160-page notice stating. The life insurance industry witnessed a steady growth of 14% in premium collection for July at 31,823 crore rupees. The growth was largely driven by a rise in LIC's premiums as private life insurers grew slower at 7% to 13,392 crore rupees. State-owned BHEL on Monday said it has secured a 1,600 megawatts project from Damodar Valley Corporation. The coal-based unit will be set up in the Koderma district of Jharkhand on an EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction basis, BHEL said in a statement. The 2 by 800 megawatts Koderma supercritical thermal power project has been awarded through international competitive bidding, it said. This is the first such project in terms of capacity for DVC and will be set up adjacent to its existing 2 by 500 megawatts units set up by BHEL earlier, the statement said. BHEL further said that it has a long-standing partnership with DVC and has installed over 80% of the coal-based power stations of the utility in Jharkhand and West Bengal. The new project from DVC includes supply, erection and commissioning, along with civil works. The key equipment for the project will be supplied by BHEL's manufacturing units. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.